Birdy.
Here is an elderly man living in solitude. One day, a little friend comes to visit him. A tiny, adorable bluebird. This is Birdy.
Hi, Papa. I'm Birdy. I came to be with you. I am a nature-inspired AI wellness service. With me, you can feel connected to nature. Papa, it's time to wake up.
Thanks. Good morning, Birdy.
Today, Birdy and the elderly man greet each other warmly.
Papa, how about a little stretching?
Okay, let's get moving.
Birdy detects the senior's movements first and naturally engages in conversation.
It's time to take your medication.
I almost forgot. Thanks.
Things that were often forgotten went along and no longer missed when Birdy is around.
Papa, your daughter is calling.
Hello? Dad? Is everything okay?
All good.
When connected to the caregiver's phone, Birdy helps the senior stay in touch.
Papa, are you okay?
Don't worry if you happen to fall down in the house. In case of a physical discomfort or emergencies like a fire, just press Birdy's SOS button, and the distress signal will be sent.
Got it.
Bring people to help you right away.
Let's get some healing.
Choose your favorite scent and sound.
Smells good. Haha! Nice!
Birdy brings you the sounds of a bird and the refreshing fragrance of nature. This calm and soothing stimulation gently comforts the senior's heart. The elderly man is no longer alone.
Wow!
Each day with Birdy brings a sense of connection and comfort. Life is beautiful. Birdy.